Here I have VIVO Y91. Let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen. Then you need to find and select settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose here more settings. Then select here backup and reset and choose reset network settings. So this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset settings and tap reset settings again just to confirm the operation. And network settings have been reset, so now you can go back and start using your device with the default network configuration. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.